Hello everyone, and today in this video I am going to share BARC exams memory based question that has been conducted on 24th September 2021, and this is afternoon session. Okay, and these questions are of mechanical engineering branch. So first question was, there was one question regarding energy conservation, rotational energy 1 by 2 I omega square is equal to constant. There was one disk whose mass moment of inertia is given and it is rotating about angular velocity omega, and suddenly we are putting another disk, so its moment of inertia increases, so we have to find final angular velocity. Then second, there was one question regarding momentum conservation, and later, like, there was a bullet who tangentially touches a stationary rotational disk, and after that they both start rotating, so we have to find out that what is the initial velocity of the bullet. Then there was a one truss question. Based on symmetry, we have to find a force in one of the members. Then one gear train numerical from theory of machine portion. Sun and planet gear train with bevel gears were there, and we have to find a one in the input speed is given. We have to find output shaft speed and number of teeths were given. Next question based on production. There was one solidification time that we have to find the solidification time of a cube, and one welding numerical based on we are giving power, and there is a heat transfer efficiency, there is a combustion efficiency, sorry, a melting efficiency, and we have to find how much actually heat is reaching there. And next there was one theory question based on casting defects, and again there is from vibration. Next there was one question regarding relation with omega and omega upon omega n, and the transmit, then what we say that uh, damping coefficient, okay, damping ratio. So we have, there is one MCQ which is giving the relation regarding omega upon omega n and epsilon. If you talk about engineering mathematics, then there was a weightage was quite less compared to other sessions. There was one complex integration problem. There was some numerical method like iterative based uh, numericals were also there, and one question from Newton-Raphson's method was there. And next, if you move to industrial, so industrial, from industrial there was one question on inventory, that is demand and ordering cost, holding cost with uh, safety stock, okay, that you have to find the cost of shortage also. And there was one another question based on graphical method and numerical, like two companies were there, they are producing something and they have some resources limited, so we have to make the uh, equations and then we have to solve it and we have to put it the answer. And there was one question regarding CPM, critical path method. We have to find the maximum time and earliest start time and latest start time for the different activities that they have asked. And in theory portion from industrial, there was one question from forecasting, and we have to find the proper relation that corresponds the value of alpha, like it is 0 to 1. So if we move towards the 1, then what will the effect? If we move towards the 0, then what will be the effect? Next, from heat transfer, there was one question from conduction through composite cylinder, numerical, that was we have to find the intermediate temperature. Second, there was a question regarding radiation, that was theoretical question regarding shape factor. Next, there was one free convection numerical, a vertical plate. We have to find Grashof number, Prandtl number, and then put into the relation that they have given, and we have to find the total heat transfer. There was one another heat exchanger numerical, a condensation base. There was a steam is condensing and cooling water is getting heated. So we have to find the total area required of heat exchanger. Next, if we talk about machine design, so from machine design point of view, there was a question on spring design. So one spring design numerical, the standard that they have asked in ESC means. Then there was a brake design question, very easy question, that was one theoretical question from column, that we have to find the critical load comparison. Four different types of columns were given there, and we have to set in the ascending order of their critical load. Then there was one question of theory of failure based on maximum principal stress theory. If we talk about strength of material, then from strength of material, there was one question regarding pressure vessel, shear force diagram numerical, shear stress calculation, bending stress, and torsion. So majoritarily a SOM, it was totally numerical. And next, if we talk about thermodynamics, then there was a 2 to 3 numericals based on different thermodynamic process: constant pressure, constant volume, isothermal, adiabatic. Like we have to find the work done. And one question was based on compressor efficiency numerical. We have to find the work done n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 based on that formula. Okay. And there was one question of steady flow energy equation. If it move about power plant, then there was a Rankine cycle with regeneration. There was theoretical question. Multiple statements were there. We have to find the incorrect statement. And there was a simple Rankine cycle numerical. So this is from power plant. If we talk about IC engine, so there was Otto cycle numerical and Brayton cycle numerical. Okay. So these are two numericals were there. From material science point of view, there were two questions. I can remember, that is one based on packing factor, and one is number of atoms in unit cell of simple cubic BCC and FCC. If we talk about theory of machine, then transmission angle. There was one numerical to find the minimum transmission angle, and one question regarding theoretical gear ratio we have to find. And if we talk about last but not the least, from RAC, refrigeration air conditioning. So there was a VCR cycle assertion reason type question based on I think there was a copy paste question from ESC previous year. One simple VCR cycle numerical, that COP is given, refrigeration effect is given. We have to find the how much heat is rejected uh, in the condenser. Then one, there is a calculative question like wet region the compression was happening, and we have to find the first X value, dryness fraction. Then we have to calculate all the enthalpies, and then find out the value of the final refrigeration effect and COP. And some points that I forgot, but I uh, remembered, I just recall. So there was from one question based on uh, hydraulic machines. One question that was uh, turbine, not any particular turbine, but general. That what are the different losses that are considered? They have given normal head to gross head, and there are different losses they have given, and we have to find how much power is finally generated. And one question is from fluid mechanics, that was a exact copy paste of the gate numerical gate 2016 or 17, I don't know exactly, but we have to find out the how much mass change. There was a mass inlet and there was a mass outlet based on boundary layer condition. So that was a from fluid mechanics. So this is all about that. These are the questions that I remembered. There were some more questions also, that total 100 questions were there. And if you can remember from this session any other question, then you can put it in the comment section, so that we have more number of question sets. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this, then just press the like button and subscribe this channel for upcoming this kind of videos. Thank you very much for watching this.